Hmm. So I went to the. I just now I took the showers. So today I went to the court, but I missed one task. I had to go to the prostitution racket today to film in the daylight, but I forgot. All the routes where the GPS spoof was happening, I know. And what do you call it? Uh, because last night scammers, the one stupid fuck which they have done is last night whoever entered returned kept back this NBA t-shirt. I found it there today in my brother's room. So last night whoever entered kept back the NBA t-shirt. Are and the prostitution racket which I have to capture in daylight. Are the thing is, look, last night they have came here, then they have done something. And when I dropped in the J7 IMEA, so the sex videos from the J7 IMEA nudes will be viral. But they don't know what I wanted. I wanted is the bank fraud, the bank transaction. Their husbands, their fathers, their men from their house are the trans hookers. Today I saw a guy while I was coming back from Aqua. So on the road, a man was clapping. So I understood he's one of them. I understood immediately because their habits don't go. Those trans hooker people, their habits won't go. So I always knew J7. The moment I dropped in J7 IMEA, nudes made from J7 will be exposed. So, but those men in the fake bank account, the women who have put women in the front and their men are those prostitutes, because where did the Hindenburg and the clone phone came from? Telling this right. So those are in the bank fraud. So thank God they did it. So now the transaction list will be hunted very badly. Look, the transaction list holds car and flats. Those are being bought from prostitution. And the last night one who entered the house did a stupid thing of keeping back the NBA t-shirt. I'm not gonna wear it until I wash it. I wonder what they have done on it. Wearing it, what they have done. Evil spell won't work on my clothes. It won't work. I wear this always. This one is a very ancient. I must be 15-16 years old. That means it's somewhere around 18-19 years back. And this is somewhere around. This is I bought it in Mahabaleshwar. So, the thread I have changed it. First it was brown and there were more stuff. So, evil spell won't work on me. But the one who entered the house last night has kept this t-shirt back. They must have finished their job of doing something, whatever they wanted to do. Today I found it in my brother's bedroom, over there, near the boxes of clothes. So I'm gonna put it for washing. I ain't gonna wear that. Washed and then what they have done, I still don't know. Look, every clothes of mine have been scammers have been stealing, using, and what they do only they know. Last night was the biggest thing, and the sex videos which they spread, which were made from J7, I wanted that to happen because now the bank transaction will be pulled. Now the bank transactions will be pulled. Those were the men. Bank transactions will be pulled. Those were the men. With the fake boobs and wig and transfer costume. So come on, how did the clone phone and hidden camera went there? So, thank God they did it. It was a good stuff. I always knew the sex videos, the moment I give the IMEI, sex video will be exposed and defamation will start. Defamation, not the defamation, spoiling name will be start. But they are spoiling their men and t-shirt robbery and all, it's out there. So how many videos were made wearing my t-shirt? Or if it's me, then with me, who is the second person? Who is the other guy? Other transfer. Who is the transfer? Is there man, right, from the fake bank account? And they thought I just gave that detail just like that.